Hello friends, welcome back to my channel iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you one of the most popular, very delicious Bengali style fish curry recipe, Rui Shorshe Posto. That is Rohu fish with mustard seeds and poppy seeds paste. This recipe will take away the monotonous taste of Rohu fish and bring a different unique taste and enhance your taste buds. This dish is very easy to prepare and can be done even by the beginners. So let's start the recipe. Here I take fresh Rohu fish which I have already cleaned properly. Today I take 6 pieces Rohu fish. Now I coat them with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. After coat them properly, now I rest them for 10 to 15 minutes for well marination. Here I also take 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato and 2 pieces dried red chillies. I also take 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds with 3 garlic pods, 1 teaspoon white mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds and 3 pieces green chillies. Now I put all the spices into my mixer grinder to make a smooth fine paste. I take 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, smooth fine paste of mustard seeds with garlic and chili, smooth fine paste of poppy seeds and 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt. Now I heated sufficient mustard oil into a pan and place the marinated pieces into the oil very carefully and fry them in the batches. Now I flip the pieces very carefully and fry them little. Fry both the sides of fish till it turns golden brown, but don't over fry them. Now I take out them from the pan and keep them aside. Now I use the same remaining oil and add 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds, 2 dried red chillies and saute them for a few seconds. Then I am adding finely chopped onions into the pan and saute it for a few more seconds. Fry them until it turns light brown. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it nicely. Then I am adding chopped tomato into the pan and mix it nicely. After that I am adding mustard seeds, garlic and green chillies paste. Now mix all the things very well. Then I am adding poppy seeds paste into the pan and mix all the spices very well and fry them little. Now I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoon water into the pan and mix it well, otherwise masala may burn. After that, I am adding 1 teaspoon red chilli powder into it and mix it very well. Add salt and chili according to your taste. Then I add 2 tablespoons fresh yogurt into the pan and mix all the things very well. Now I am going to fry it on medium heat until the masala starts leaving oil. Oil has surfaced now. I am going to add sufficient lukewarm water into the pan and mix it properly. Cooking this recipe, always use lukewarm water. It enhances the taste of this dish. Now I am adding 4 slit green chillies into the pan and mix it well. Then I cover the pan with a lid and cook it on medium to high flame. After 5 minutes, I open the lid and mix all the fried fishes into the pan very carefully and nicely. And again I cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, I am adding chopped fresh coriander leaves into the pan and mix it nicely. I turn off the gas and rest it for 5 minutes. Rohu fish curry is ready to serve. I serve it with hot rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's unique, delightful Bengali style Rohu fish curry recipe, which I prepare in very simple and easy way. You must try this recipe at your home to make your any occasion more special. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video for the betterment of my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.